Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA installation error code 0e60000 on PC. In this error video seeing before you are begin in this channel, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 4 steps. Let's go ahead that first step, restart. So we can go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. Sometimes this method work it, just try it. Then go to the next step, then stop the background apps like NVIDIA. So we need Windows search bar and type task manager. We will click on it the task manager, then you click on the name tab. Once it's click or then you can use the search bar, then type NVIDIA, then right click on the NVIDIA related apps and choose the end task. Click to stop the background process. After that close it, then go to the next step, update NVIDIA in device manager. So we need Windows search bar and type device manager. We can click to open, then go to select the display adapter. Just click on this arrow and select the your specific graphics card and right click on it and choose the update driver. Then you can select the browse my computer for drive. Then below you can click on the let me pick from list available and your specific graphics card select, and you can go to click on the next button. Once it click to update the latest version, you will once it we will update, then come to back, then go to the next step, NVIDIA manually update. Sometimes third steps try to it does not working, then only then fourth steps try it. This video already made it, that link provided in this video description. Just you click on to update the manually NVIDIA graphics card. After that your problem should be fixed. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section comment. I will definitely reply you. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.